Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of hiding your Google Contacts addresses in the Google Maps app. If you're concerned about privacy and prefer not to see contact addresses on the map or in search results, this tutorial is for you. First, open the Maps app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for your profile icon at the top right. Next, scroll down through the menu and click on Settings to access the app options. After that, tap on Personal Content. Now find the section labeled Google Contacts. You'll notice a toggle switch next to it. Finally, turn off the toggle switch. When the switch is off, it will appear grayed out. This action will prevent your Google Contacts addresses from appearing on the map and in search results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit.